Hi everyone, Arlene here. Welcome back to my Country Craft Corner and Arlene's Travels. How in the world are you guys doing today? So good to see you again, and thank you so much for stopping back by to see what I'm up to. And what I'm up to today is I am currently on the Emerald Princess, and this is my lovely steward, Leo. Hi, Leo.
Hello.
And he is the nicest steward in the whole wide world, I'm telling you. He's just wonderful. And he just came out of our stateroom right here at D528. He just cleaned it up and spiffed it up for us. So I'm going to go in here and give a room tour, Leo, and show everybody what their room will look like if they are going to be staying on the Dolphin Deck in room 528 aboard the Emerald Princess, right? And you will be privileged to have Leo as your stateroom steward. They work so hard. They work so hard. You work so hard.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, sweetie. See you later. We're going to go in here. This is not a medallion, ocean medallion ship yet, but as you can see, it says ocean medallion coming soon. Touch your cruise card below, target below. Here you go. You can see, you can touch it either way. It'll go either way, the back of it or the front of it. So I'm just going to touch, let's just touch the front of it and I'll show you it works. And then you can see, you get a green light and you just open your door and in we go. First thing you see, there's a few light switches there on your left and a plug on the floor there, but I think that's European. So I don't think that would do any Americans or Australians actually any good, but it's there just in case you have something that would fit into it. Let me get my camera down there closer so you can see closer. That's what it is. So, I'm going to tell you that our muster station was in the Explorers and Crown Grill, right on deck 7. You can always find your muster station on your cruise card, too. Muster Station D. Okay, there we go. So, let's get started on this tour here. First and foremost, I wanted to let you know that the walls in your stateroom are metal. Now they do have a covering on them, so be aware of that. But you can get magnets that you can hang. For instance, I hang my cruise card up on a magnet hook. I put magnets of the family up. I hang hats up down there. I'll show you when we get down there. But they need to be heavy duty magnets. Just be aware of that. They need to be heavy duty magnets, pretty heavy duty. You can see that this is just something I got from Shutterfly, and it's not sticking quite as well as I'd like it to the wall. It does stick partially. It's an old one too, but just know that this is kind of thick, so you need pretty heavy duty magnets. So also when you take them off the walls, don't try not to scrape them too much, you know, kind of pull them like that, so you don't scrape their walls up, you know. This room has 2 thermostats. There's one here, and I'll show you the other one when we get on in. This is a mini suite here on the Emerald Princess. And this is pretty much the way mini suites look on every ship. The Royal and the Regal and that class ship, they're a smidge longer, and they have a little different desks and stuff, but pretty much the same. First of all, you're going to see a big closet here. It's an open closet, which is okay. And you can see my pop-up laundry basket there on the floor, my slippers. 2 of our suitcases are here in this closet, and 2 are under the bed. All 4 would fit under the bed, but they have linens and stuff under the bed. So we just put them here in our closet. We don't care. It doesn't matter. So, and that's my carry-on bag. Every mini suite or every cabin actually has a cabinet like this with shelving, and everyone has a safe, and you choose your own code. But as you can see, there's a lot of storage space here in this mini suite. Okay, and it has a mirror that is, you know, on both doors. Some of the mini suites have a mirror on here on this wall, but the last 2 ships I've been on have had them here, and it makes me look double wide. I'm wide enough. I don't need to look double wide. Anyway, here we go into the bathroom. Here's your light switch on the outside. Watch your step. And it's a heavy door, you know. It has 2 hooks on the back of the door. And mini suites have a combination tub and shower. And we're doing a little rocking and rolling, sorry, today. And here's your towel racks. And I have my shower cap hanging on there. If you want my tips and tricks, you can always, I'll try to put a link in the description here. I have many tips and tricks videos. Every shower or every bathroom has a clothesline that you can pull across, and it hooks there and hang up your laundry. Every passenger deck has a laundry mat if you want, but shelves in there. Every bathroom on a Princess ship has shower gel and shampoo. I obviously bring my own, but in a pinch I'll use it. More shower rack, you know, toilet. More shelving over here. Somebody asked me if there was shelves on this side, and there is not. There's another mirror over there. So then comes with a shelf on the bottom, and it comes with a non-stick mat too. Every room that I've ever been in has a non-stick mat if you want to put it in the bottom of the shower or in the tub. So there you go, trash can over there. And that's the bathroom. Nice and spacious, very nice. We have a little shelf and mirror above it here before you go in the room. Another trash can. Those are the only two trash cans in the room. And on we go out into the bed area. We have two bedside tables on either side. And this ship does have medallion net. So it has great internet, and Chris and I bought an unlimited package. So I plug my phone in by my bedside every night and play games online. Before I go to sleep, or do my crossword puzzles there. But more drawers there. That's my clock on the table. I do a travel clock. A big mirror above the bed. This is the new Princess Dream bed. Lovely bed and lovely pillows. Very comfortable, very, very comfortable. And here's some more magnets that I have. And they have an elite lounge that has a buffet. You can get a drink if you want. We don't drink, but they also have like herb marinated goat cheese with crisp rosemary flatbread on that particular March 10th is what they're going to have. So sometimes we'll head up there to a little fancy buffet they have up there just for a snack, you know. But here's some of the gifts that I was given with Hilaire and so on from my other cruise. We've been cruising now for a long time, coming from Sydney and then to Zealand and now here to the Panama Canal. Here's I carry my little crossbody purses. I put my phone in there, and that's how I carry it around the ship. This is my little Guardian belt. A sweet Pat gave me, my friend. A little New Zealand hat. Outlets in this room. They used to have TVs sitting up on these shelves, so that's why there's outlets up here. Now they've changed because they're going to a medallion class ship. They've put flat screens in all of the staterooms, which frees up some outlets. So there's actually an outlet here, and there's an outlet around the other side, and then there's outlets, 2 outlets here at the desk. And that's all the outlets. The outlet in the bathroom, you guys, cannot be used for anything but a man's razor or maybe a nightlight. Other than that, it doesn't run a curling iron or hair dryer or anything like that. So they do have hair dryers in all rooms. It's really not wonderful, if I'm honest. I bring my own, but in a pinch I will use it. It's square, which is a little bit awkward for me. Also, my hair has been known to get stuck in the back of it, but if I had a negative, that would be the only thing that I'd say. I don't care for the hair dryers, y'all. I just don't care for them. So, you know, it has an on-off switch. You know, and it gives a good bit of air, but it's still not the best, in my opinion. Just in my opinion. Of course, there's a phone that you can call, you know, around the ship, and I guess if you needed to make outside calls, you could. I don't know, never done that, because with everybody having cell phones. All your rooms will have a little welcome aboard card. There you can see Leo as our steward, and have a nice chair here at the desk. This nice new leather chair. 2 more drawers, and then there's more shelving in there, and it goes back pretty far. at the desk, and then they have a refrigerator. Every room on a princess ship has a refrigerator, a little mini fridge with an ice bucket that he fills with ice twice a day. We got some sodas in there. And, you know, nice countertop space. We have a lot of water. We got 2 water packages this time because this is a long cruise. It's like a 15-day cruise. And then we have shelving with all the cameras and such. And again, that other outlet up here. My laptop. Chris's laptop. Chris's Benadryl. Here's the other thermostat. And the other TV. There are 2 TVs. 2 thermostats and 2 TVs and mini suites. And we have a nice little chair here. It looks new. The couch, on the other hand, could use a little bit of updating, I will admit. It is a sleeper sofa, you can see, but the sleeper sofa is only under these 2 cushions. Not under the end cushion over there, not underneath there. And 2 pillows, which are pitiful. So I think they're in the process, they're always in the process of updating. I'm not complaining one lick, but just to let you know that, you know, it's not a bad couch, it's comfortable, and it's a couch. I'm not complaining at all. Little coffee table. Nice picture. And then this beautiful balcony. We are at sea today on our way to Nicaragua. And let's go out here. Got 2 chairs, 2 stools, and a table. And it is hot as the dickens out here. It is hot and humid today. Yuck. This is uncovered. This balcony is uncovered. The mini suites on the Dolphin deck are uncovered. But here, look at this ocean. Oh, how pretty. The bird flying over there. And there's the bridge up there. And the aft back there. So pretty. We are rolling though, pretty much. So, but that's it for this mini suite. For mini suite, I was going to say this. The balcony is about, I would say, 10 feet wide, 9 or 10 feet wide by probably, or you know, side to side, and then maybe 6 feet, 5 or 6 feet wide. It's a good size. It's a very good size. The rooms hold their temperature well too. A lot of people ask me that. They do hold their temperature. We've had to crank it down though today. And we also close our blinds, so if it gets too hot, especially if the sun's beating in here, help the ship out by doing that, you know. Anyway, that'll do it for our tour of Mini-Suite D528 on board the Emerald Princess. It's a lovely ship with a great captain, y'all. Let me go over here to the mirror and we'll do some final words here. Thank y'all so much for stopping in and for joining me on this little tour. I'm sorry, a little wind blown from being outside. But let me just say that I hope that all is well with everyone. And for those of you who may be struggling or suffering with a catastrophic illness or chronic pain, I hope that you have someone there with you, taking care of you, helping you get through each day, making the very, very best out of each day. I hope there's nothing weighing on your minds or your hearts, pulling your attention away from where you want it to be or from where it should be. I love y'all to bits, to bits, to bits, hugs all around, and I keep you in my thoughts and my prayers every single day. And with all that said, I'll just say, until next time, y'all take good care. Bye-bye.